Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you the recipe of Tres Leches cake with an Indian twist. I'm making Rabri Tres Leches cake using Gits Rabdi mix. So let's get started. To bake this cake without oven, heat a Kadhai or pan and pressure cooker without gasket, add some salt, place a stand and preheat at medium flame for 10 minutes. For the cake batter, take half cup yogurt, that is plain dahi, in a bowl. Whisk it till it becomes smooth. Next, add half cup plus 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. So you need to measure the powdered sugar after powdering the regular sugar. Mix well, then add 1 tablespoon melted butter, 1/4 teaspoon green cardamom powder and mix well. Next, add 3 tablespoons oil. Use any flavorless oil. You can use refined or any oil which does not have flavor like mustard, peanut or extra virgin. Do not use these oils. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons milk at room temperature. Add 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. You can sift the dry ingredients, but I am going ahead directly with the dry ingredients. Use a whisk to remove the lumps, and as soon as you are done removing the lumps, you can switch to a spatula. Fold the batter and transfer to a 7-inch square cake tin. You can line it with parchment paper or grease with oil. You may use round cake tin. You can see the OTG or convection instructions on the screen, but I am going to bake this cake without oven. My pan has been preheating and now I am going to bake this cake at medium flame for first 10 minutes and then at low flame for 30 to 35 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare Rabri. To prepare Rabri, I am using Gits Rabdi mix. Gits Rabdi mix is made up of high quality ingredients and does not contain any artificial colors and flavors. With a packet of 90 rupees, you can make 500 ml rich and delicious Rabdi. Now you can make thick and delicious Rabdi in just 2 easy steps. Use full fat milk to get better results. I am using 100 gram packet of Gits Rabdi mix. Transfer the contents to a Kadhai before placing it on your gas stove. Then gradually add milk. We need 500 ml milk for this recipe, but do not add all the milk in one go. First add a little, make a thick paste, and after that add the remaining milk. I am using room temperature milk, but you may use slightly warm milk. By following these steps, you can get lump-free mixture. Now place the Kadhai on your gas stove or induction and cook at low-medium flame for 10 minutes. Rabdi will gradually thicken. Make sure you stir continuously and if possible use a thick bottom Kadhai or pan. Rabdi is ready. It would thicken more as it cools down. So now I am going to let it sit and cool down completely. Let's check the cake. The cake is done. You can insert a toothpick, skewer or a knife. If it comes out clean, that means your cake is done. Remove it from your pan or your oven, cover with a cotton cloth and let the cake cool down. Once the cake cools down, tap the sides. It makes it very easy to remove the cake. Now let's move to the next step. Poke using a toothpick or you can use a fork. Now add some Rabdi and let the cake absorb it, soak it. Since Rabdi is thick, it would take some time for the cake to soak it. If you want the step to get faster, you can remove a thin layer of the cake from top and the cake would absorb the Rabdi faster. Here I've got some cold whipping cream. I'm using non-dairy which is already sweetened. This is approximately half cup. Whip the cream using an electric beater till you get stiff peaks like this. For the cake decoration, I am using piping nozzle number 12, which is actually a round nozzle. If you do not have this nozzle, you can just skip using any nozzle. Cut the edges, this step is optional. I am making a very simple design today. Though simple, it looks great. But you can decorate your cake the way you want. Next, I am cutting this cake into 9 small sized pieces. If you have made a round cake, you can cut your cake into triangles. A little garnish using some chopped pistachios. You can use chopped or sliced pistachios or your favorite dry fruits. For serving, take one slice, place in a bowl or a plate and pour chilled Rabdi. This combination of cardamom flavored cake and delicious rabri is just out of this world. Finally, some more pistachios or dry fruits. And then you can just dig in. You can top up your bowl with more rabri if you want. The cake is nice and moist and very delicious, and the rabri complements it. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!